Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what happens, eventually? What's the ultimate fate of everything we see, from distant galaxies to our own tiny planet? It's a mind-boggling question, but scientists have some compelling theories about how the universe will ultimately end. Today, we're diving into the most prominent theories about the universe's final moments. We'll explore the Big Freeze, the Big Rip, and the Big Crunch, examining the science behind each and what they mean for the future of existence. Prepare for a cosmic journey to the very end. Let's start with the most widely accepted scenario, the Big Freeze, also known as heat death. This theory suggests that the universe will continue to expand forever, gradually cooling down. As galaxies drift further apart, star formation will eventually cease, and existing stars will burn out. Eventually, all matter will decay, leaving behind a vast, cold, and dark expanse, a state of maximum entropy where no further work can be done. Think of it like a cup of hot coffee slowly cooling down to room temperature. The universe is just doing the same, on a much grander scale. Now, let's consider the Big Rip. This is a more dramatic, and frankly, terrifying possibility. It hinges on the concept of dark energy, the mysterious force accelerating the universe's expansion. If dark energy continues to strengthen, it could eventually become so powerful that it overcomes all other forces, gravity, electromagnetism, even the strong and weak nuclear forces. This would lead to the universe being ripped apart, starting with galaxies, then solar systems, then planets, and ultimately, even atoms themselves. It's a catastrophic unraveling of everything we know. Finally, there's the Big Crunch. This theory proposes that the universe's expansion will eventually reverse, and it will begin to contract. Gravity would pull everything back together, accelerating until the universe collapses into a single, infinitely dense point, a singularity, similar to the one that existed before the Big Bang. Some scientists even speculate this could lead to another Big Bang, creating a cyclical universe, constantly expanding and contracting. Interestingly, observations suggest the universe's expansion is accelerating, making the Big Crunch less likely, but it remains a fascinating possibility. So, what does all this mean? While the exact fate of the universe remains uncertain, the most probable scenario is the Big Freeze, a slow, cold decline into nothingness. However, the Big Rip and Big Crunch offer equally compelling, albeit more extreme, alternatives. If you found this exploration of the universe's end fascinating, be sure to like this video and leave a comment sharing your thoughts on which scenario you find most intriguing. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending journeys into the cosmos.